India crosses 5.4 lakh mark as it reports a single-day spike of 19,459 new COVID-19 cases and 380 deaths in the last 24 hours. Positive cases in India stand at 5,48,318, including 2,10,120 active cases. 3,21,723 people have been cured and discharged. Meanwhile, 16,475 deaths have also been reported across the country. Karnataka reports 1,267 cases of COVID-19, taking the total tally to 13,190 cases. The state has 5,472 active cases. Total COVID-19 related deaths have increased to 207, with 16 new deaths being reported on Sunday. Bengaluru reports 783 new coronavirus cases and 4 deaths in the last 24 hours. Total number of active cases in the city has climbed to 2,692. Death toll in Bengaluru has increased to 88. Meanwhile, 220 discharges too were reported, taking the total number of discharges to 7,507 in Karnataka. Also, 16 new deaths were reported, taking the total number of deaths to 207 in the state. B.S. Yediyurappa to chair meet with ministers and officials of COVID task force. State government to come up with decisions and stringent measures to flatten the curve in Karnataka. Apathy of Karnataka government comes to the fore. Long wait for COVID patients to be shifted to hospitals once they test positive. Family members of COVID patients shift the patient in their own car to a COVID hospital in Bengaluru. Meanwhile, Bengaluru is under spotlight as healthcare infrastructure is creaking under pressure. Beds in hospitals and quarantine centers are quickly filling up as more cases are being reported. Pressure for cops too, as more of them are testing positive and are being quarantined. Fuel prices hiked yet again in the country. Price of petrol increases to 80 rupees 43 paise per litre, seeing an increase of 5 paise per litre, and diesel prices have increased to 80 rupees 53 paise per litre, seeing an increase of 13 paise per litre a day after there was no change in the prices. Sensex dips 200 points, Nifty below 10,300, ITC gains by 4%. Sensex Nifty start the week on a negative note as coronavirus cases surges across the nation. 1,117,700 COVID-19 cases reported across the world. The death toll stands at 5,01,281 and 51,23,827 people have recovered so far. United States continues to remain the worst affected nation, reporting 25,48,617 COVID-19 cases.